Let's see what kind of food we can find here. We might try more than one thing. I'm hungry too. Wow, those looks really nice. Nice and crispy. Ready? It's melting. It's falling apart. This is a lavender waffle cone. Hey, welcome back all you full-time foodies. We're here at the Bazaar Botanica Feminist Fair. It is like an event. Yeah, it is an event. And there's a lot of food to try here. So that's why we're here. Let's get it, let's eat. I'm hungry too. I want to show you guys the parking lot here. It's packed. It is a packed house. Wow. All right, let's head on in. Let me show you guys. I've never been to this. I was looking up one of the food trucks here. And I said, we gotta try that place. All right, guys, this is why we originally came here. It was for the WAFU's, Japanese waffles and soft serve. But since we found out it was an event going on, we kind of went around here. It's a big pack here. I guess we saved the best for last. Here we go. Taiyaki waffles. So we got the Anko, which is the sweet red bean. We got the custard cream, Nutella, matcha cream, bacon and cheddar. They have some savory ones. I've never heard of these, but I'm excited to try them out. A bit sad that they don't have the egg and cheese, but next time we'll have to come back around. And the kimchi melt. Oh man. These also I never heard of. Yuzu sodas. We got one of these. Yuzu and white peach. Man. Alright, we're gonna go behind the scenes a bit to see how they make everything. Alright guys, check this out. This is the ube soft serve, and this is a lavender waffle cone. I can't wait to try this out. This is a pocky stick, and these are some little mochis here. Let's taste it. Oh man, that's great ube flavor. Wow, that's amazing. Amazing ube flavor. Oh man. Oh my God. Let's get the other side because it's melting. It's Florida. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna try a mochi. Little mochi stick here. That's good. That's a little mochi. Not too sweet. Pocky stick, but oh, broke on me. But I've had a pocky stick before, but never filled with or coated in ube soft serve. Look at this. My God. Oh man. My God, look at this. So rich and creamy. Amazing. I gotta go back for one more. Wow. This is how most of them look. The important thing is the filling. Let's try this out. So you know, you saw them making them. This is delicious. Looks delicious. Let's try this one. Man, look at this. Look at this. Wow. This is the bacon and cheddar. Man. Look at the inside there. And it has black sesame seeds and scallions too. Let me taste a piece here. Wow. That bacon's awesome. It's a nice thick cut of bacon. A lot of cheese. Those scallions and that black sesame gives it a nice flavor too. Over there. So now they did give me like an order. The guy, he told me, you know, this is the order, this is what each one was, so you're not tasting it blind, but I don't remember now. So we're tasting them blind. Look at this one. I'm not sure what this one is. Let's find out together though. Look at that. Wow. That's awesome. This is the custard. The custard filling. Look at the middle in there. All right, let me get a good bite of this one. Wow. Wow. Wow, that custard is delicious. Man, that's an awesome custard. Incredible. Incredible. You gotta get two of these. Man. Man, this one's delicious. That custard, that's some good custard. He told me that it took him a while to put the custard together. He did a great job. It paid off. It's worth all his time and effort because that is delicious. Let me open up this next one here. Let me do it from, I think the belly of the fish is the best spot. Oh man, look at this. Check this out right here. Oh man. That's the Anko. That's the sweet red bean paste. This is popular all over Asia, not just Japan, in a lot of sort of desserts. Red bean, sweet red bean. Let's give it a taste. Wow. Delicious. Awesome flavor. It's perfect. Perfect red bean filling. Alright, from the belly again. Woo! This is that matcha cream. Matcha cream. Wow, I don't know if it's like a custard or what it is. We're gonna find out. Oh wow. It looks great, actually. Man. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. It is a bit custardy. It has amazing matcha flavor. Perfect. Perfect amount of matcha. You definitely taste it in every bite. All right, guys, got the kimchi one here. Last one. This one's cheesy with kimchi. Oh wow. Oh my god. This might be the best savory one. We actually wanted the egg and cheese, and they were out of it, so I went with the kimchi and cheese for this one. Wow, I'm glad I made the right choice right there. This is delicious. Wow. Really good. Really good. On point. All right, guys. WAFU. Incredible. Amazing. All of the taiyaki options they have. I've never had any savory taiyaki. It was incredible. It's like a super soft waffle. It's delicious. You got to check these people out. I'm going to put their Instagram in the description. They're not normally like out and about during the week, but they do pop-up events, and you can follow their Instagram to know where they're going to be at. And definitely, you got to visit them, man. And if you're going, you better invite me too, because you know I'm always hungry. All right, don't forget to eat, drink, and be merry.